All right, so we're going to do a Tuesday growing tip video today because I was walking out here just a little bit ago and you know what? Something popped up in my mind. It's time to talk about beans. But we're going to talk specifically about pests and diseases that you could be expecting when you grow beans, because this is the bean season for fall. If you're planting beans or if you're planning to plant beans, now is the time to start planting them for fall. But when you see something like this, we have to address it. And look at all the aphids. Good grief. All right, so sit back, relax, grab your coffee. This is going to be a quick video. We're gonna hit the points quickly and move on. So let's do it. All right, everyone, so let's talk about pests really quickly. As I just showed y'all, we got aphids. Aphids show up when there's just rain, moisture. As soon as one of those little punks show up, they just start to spread. So to get rid of aphids, just wipe them off. Grab a glove if you don't want to touch them, but wipe them off, squish them, get rid of them. You can come back through with neem oil and all that stuff, but just remember, if you're going to use neem oil, you take the chance of hurting beneficial insects with the neem oil, so I don't usually use it. That infestation right there, I'm just going to cut the parts that have the aphids on them, get rid of them, throw them away, don't compost it, throw it away, and move on. Now, another little insect that you want to keep an eye out for is the bean leaf roller. This little caterpillar thing, worm thing that I'm showing right here hit me last year. Didn't know what it was, never saw it before in my life, but when you see the leaf folded over like a taco, you know there's probably a bean leaf roller bug in there. Take care of them however you feel comfortable taking care of them. I handle them very quickly. I don't mess with those things, and they spread quick and will decimate your bean plant very quick. So if you see those, handle them really fast. All right, a few other ones are the Mexican bean beetle, spider mites, thrips, slugs, snails, leaf hoppers, and weevils. Now, most of those I don't have here, so I don't have a lot of experience with them. If you do have them, Google how to get rid of them, because I don't have the answer for those without doing a deep dive, and that'd be a whole nother video. But here's my advice to you. If you see something that looks wrong on your bean plants, the leaves are being eaten, all the aphids that are on there, whatever, research it and address it quickly. You do not want to have planted your beans, have them finally producing, and then start losing them because of pests. That is the worst thing in the world, and I know it's demoralizing as all get out because it's happened to me so many times. So be prepared. This is the season for bean planting for fall, like I said at the beginning, which also means this is the season for pests for beans. So be prepared, all right? Like, for real. All right, y'all, we're almost done. Quick videos. All right, let's talk about some prevention for those pests. Soapy water, sprays, like I said, the neem oil, row covers, beneficial plants and insects. Yes, plant companion plants, but this time of the year, if you don't already have the companion plants planted, you're a little bit behind the 8 ball on that one. So, probably not the right time for companion planting, more spring. Diatomaceous earth and crop rotation. Now, crop rotation, I have mixed feelings on crop rotation because it's a small, if you're like me and you're in a small backyard and you're constantly amending, you don't really need to do crop rotation. But when you're dealing with pests, I think it could be very beneficial to move your crops around that get hit with pests. So I will agree with you. I will agree with the research on crop rotation. All right, everyone, so that's the video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Hope you got something out of it. Hope you learned something. And if you're a first-time bean grower, hope you're paying attention. Now, I did not go over basics of beans. I'll put a link to a video up that I did on that right here. Make sure you know what type of beans you're growing, whether they're bush beans, pole beans, runner beans, and make sure you are prepared for whatever type of bean that you're growing. Everyone, take care. May God continue to bless each and every one of you. Continue to shine bright, harvest hard. Be in your gardens looking for all the different things that could go wrong with your beans. And just enjoy the journey. And I'll talk to y'all again real soon. Bye.